This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Agnes Serrano. This beautiful two-story home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths and combines modern elegance with functional design. As you step inside, you're greeted by a spacious open floor plan with porcelain tile flooring throughout the first level, creating a sleek and seamless look. The heart of the home is its gourmet kitchen, designed for both culinary enthusiasts and entertainers alike. It boasts quartz countertops, a center island, custom cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. The expansive counter space and stylish finishes make it the perfect place to prepare meals or gather with family and friends. Upstairs, you'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms, each with ample closet space. The master suite features a private bath with double vanities, a glass-enclosed shower, and elegant tile details. The additional full bath upstairs serves the other 2 bedrooms, while a convenient half bath is located on the first floor for guests. The outdoor space is just as inviting. The backyard is an oasis of relaxation, complete with a charming gazebo, ideal for outdoor dining or lounging. A tranquil water fountain provides the soothing sound of trickling water, setting the scene for peaceful evenings. The backyard offers stunning water view, creating a serene backdrop to enjoy sunsets or morning coffee. This home effortlessly blends luxury with comfort, making it the perfect place for both everyday living and entertaining. For more information, review the details below or contact Agnes Serrano at 813-928-4638.